Pork is one of the most widely consumed meats in the world, especially in China and Japan, where modern factories process millions of tons every year. In large-scale facilities, standardized handling systems are used to move livestock efficiently through controlled environments. While methods differ in scale and precision, both systems are designed for controlled, standardized processing. While China focuses on large-scale production, Japan emphasizes precision, consistency, and quality. The process begins long before the factory floor, with carefully managed transportation systems. Food safety starts with strict hygiene protocols that every worker must follow. Modern pork processing relies heavily on automation to ensure efficiency and consistency.
Cuts are standardized to meet strict size, weight, and quality requirements.
In China, factories are designed for high-volume production to meet massive domestic demand. In Japan, the focus is on precision, presentation, and consistency. Temperature control is critical to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Once processed, pork is carefully packaged and prepared for distribution. Pork is finely processed and seasoned to create fillings used in dumplings, buns, and street food across the country. Sausages and processed pork products are manufactured at high speed to meet daily demand. Pre-sliced pork products are packaged for convenience and long shelf life. In Japan, pork processing focuses on precision, presentation, and consistency.
Pork prepared for bento meals must meet strict visual and quality standards.
In Japanese factories, cooked pork products are prepared under carefully controlled conditions. Seasoning is applied with precision to ensure consistent flavor.
Both countries enforce strict quality inspections before products move forward.
China prioritizes scale and efficiency, while Japan emphasizes precision and presentation, two different approaches to the same product.
Before pork products reach consumers, they undergo strict laboratory testing to meet food safety standards. Rapid cooling helps preserve freshness and prevents bacterial growth. Products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses until distribution. Clear labeling ensures traceability and consumer transparency.
In China, pork products are distributed nationwide through vast logistics networks.
In Japan, distribution emphasizes punctual delivery and product presentation. This is where consumers finally encounter the finished products. Processed pork becomes part of countless meals, from street food to restaurant dishes. Some products travel beyond borders, becoming part of the global food supply. Behind every product is a carefully managed system of technology, hygiene, and logistics. Modern food systems operate on an enormous scale, supplying millions of people every day. Automation and technology play a central role in maintaining efficiency, safety, and consistency.
Different approaches, shaped by culture and demand, yet driven by the same goal: reliable food production.
Behind every automated system, skilled people ensure standards are met. Food safety systems are designed to protect consumers at every step. Modern factories continue to evolve, improving efficiency and sustainability.
These systems quietly support everyday meals around the world.
Food production today is part of a globally connected network. What reaches our tables is the result of careful planning, technology, and control. If you enjoy factory process documentaries, like the video and subscribe for more.